Hello, everyone. This is Alicia Gibson. I just wanted to do a quick update on the progress of my new home, and I guess I never really explained to everyone why I'm doing this. Well, I have been single for a long time, and I've wanted to adopt kids. And I went to Bethany Christian Services in Grand Rapids, Michigan, a couple of times, and I wasn't able to complete the course because of the classes that they give. They give like eight classes, and I wasn't able to complete them because I was a workaholic. So here I have been able to not only complete the classes, yay God, I'm like so excited, but the Lord has blessed me to get a home, and I've been sharing some of the things that I've been doing with my home. So anyways, I wanted to let everyone see my home. So the last time you saw this room, I think it was cluttered and the ceiling had all come down and there was a bunch of stuff. So I've been buying things. I bought some insulation. That's going to be all of the stuff here. And then I found a really good deal on some lights. So eventually, electrician will have to come in and help me out a little bit. Not too much because I'm not only frugal, but my funds are not as extensive as I like. So, anyways, there is some insulation, Tyvek insulation that's going to go on the walls, and then also on the top, the roofing has to be redone. So I wanted to show you a little bit of what I've been doing today. So this is a trailer home, and with that being said, they set on columns, and the columns, if they move around any, it becomes unstable, so they have to be reset. So I've been digging out, and I'm going to turn this phone so you can see what I'm talking about. But I've been digging holes to reset these blocks. So this is what I'm doing. Oh boy, to figure out how to do this. So because I cannot do this without turning this off, I'm going to shut this down and start again, and then I'll just update you as I'm going along. Thanks, bye.